To begin, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. From the bottom menu, tap the chat icon to access your chat list. Then open the chat with the person you want to send disappearing photos or videos to. You can take a photo or record a video as usual. To choose from existing media, tap the photos icon. Then select an item from your camera roll, memories, or device and cloud. Once you have found what you want, tap it to select. Before sending, tap the pencil icon in the bottom left corner. Next, you will see a timer icon, represented by a stopwatch, on the right side of the screen. Tap on it. Now, select 10 seconds or choose another duration for how long the photo will remain visible. Then, tap the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Finally, tap the send button. The photo will be sent as a disappearing snap to the selected person. They will be able to view it for the duration you set, and after that, it will automatically disappear unless they replay or screenshot it. This feature lets you send private, time-limited photos or videos that automatically disappear after being viewed, adding an extra layer of privacy and fun. So that's how you can send disappearing photos and videos on Snapchat.